friends, I am Shapnil Banerjee again back on my channel with some new and cool videos of Rubik's Cube. Today I am going to show you how to make a Rubik's Cube stand. So friends, we need only a A4 paper. Here I have a cut piece of A4 paper because I don't want to use a new one. So here I have a piece, its width is 10 cm and I suggest that the width of 10 cm may be correct for your Rubik's Cube stand. So first we shall cut a square piece from our paper. So I am showing you how to cut it. First fold it from your corner. Okay, I think it is folded now. And now take this place correctly. Now we shall fold this part and cut one. Give me some time to fold it. Okay friends, look here, I have folded it. Okay, now we shall fold this part and cut it. Yeah, look here friends, I have folded the part correctly. Here I have the folded part and now I am going to cut it. So here cutting the piece, I don't need safety scissors, but if you need, you can use. So let's cut. Okay, then we have a square cut paper, A4 paper sheet. Now we shall only do the steps that I am showing here. So let's fold it half. Okay. Look here guys, I have folded it. Next you will have to unfold this part and we'll have to fold these corners. Okay, look here friends, I have did it. I've done, and now I'll fold it again half, and now you can find here two lines. Yeah, this is here, and I shall fold it. Look here. Okay, I did it, and now I'll tab this place. Okay, look, we have done. Now we'll have to fold the part. And tap this one. Okay. A perfect line. And same work to the second one. Let's do it guys. Okay, we've done. Now we shall fold this part to this end, but I shall leave here some places that sometimes if your cube is heavy, then this part can go bottom and then your stand may not go or stand correctly. So here I am folding it. Okay guys, okay, look here, I folded it. You can look here correctly, I left some part. Okay, now I shall unfold it again. Let's unfold it. Now look here. Now I will take one side of the triangle, unfold the part and here you can find out a piece of paper. I will unfold that piece also. Okay, cool guys, but before this one I shall open this end, and here you find a part. I'll fold it this way, open this part. Now this end to this part, could you find, yeah, this part. So let's fold it guys. Okay guys, look here, I have done it, and now we shall again fold it and tap for a perfect line shape. Okay, now we shall unfold the part. Look here, we got a triangular pyramid look shape, and we shall tap this part to the bottom edge, and that will give us the stand. But please tap it safely, because if you try it very fast, then your paper can be folded from the bottom part. Okay, do it carefully. Okay, I have done almost. Okay, I have done it completely. Look, it is now looking like a paper stand. Now we shall take it and tap it carefully. Oh, now unfold this one in some parts. Oh, now I have done it, and look here, our stand is ready. So guys, I am thinking of a Rubik's cube, and let's try my Rubik's brand cube on this one. So here guys, I have the Rubik's brand cube in my hands, and I shall open it. Oh, I want to stand it, and I am taking the stand in my hands, and now, oh wow guys, what a perfect stand. 1 minute guys, look from this angle, that how much beautiful the stand is looking. The stand is acting like a real one, and I am showing it in front of the screen, and I think that would be grateful for you guys. Okay, I'm showing you. Oh, great looking stand we got. 1 minute. So friends, really a great stand here we got for, and this is really a heavy weighty cube and a great cube. Now I am showing you or telling you that why we need a stand. Rubik's cube stand always keep our Rubik's cube safe, and it makes a Rubik's cube looking cool. So here now I have the stand, and look at how much cool it is looking. Really cool guys. So thank you for watching our channel. If guys, I'll tell you that please subscribe, because our channel is free to subscribe. So thank you for watching our channel. Like, comment and subscribe guys. Bye bye, goodbye, see you again later. Have a nice day guys. Bye bye.